This National Realty Company property video is presented by Jeff Smith. This is a charming older home that you will just fall in love with. The exterior wood siding of the home has been replaced low-maintenance HardiPlank. The kitchen has been totally remodeled with custom cabinets, granite countertops and stainless steel appliances that is adjacent to the formal dining room. The home has beautiful hardwood floors throughout the most of the home. The big family room has a beautiful fireplace. The bathroom has an exquisite vanity with quartz countertop and unique tile floor. The master bedroom is spacious and also has a master half bathroom. The home has a large second bedroom. The home features a front courtyard as well as a back patio that is great for entertaining family and friends. The home has a fenced-in backyard with a cute storage building. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeff Smith at 229-273-4132.